What's going on, guys? I'm back with a video. This time back with some gaming stuff. This is literally fresh off the mail truck, like fresh off. I'll throw that to the side, and this is what I purchased here. See if we can get a little light in here. And I'm on the late train when it comes to this, but I didn't really want this product. I had a cable that goes into my Sega Genesis, and it's an audio video where I upscaled it, but it's the cable that I keep buying, they constantly just keep breaking, I guess, on the inside for no reason. So I can never find a really good Sega Genesis cable, no matter how much I look. So I end up having to get this just to check, and the only reason why I want it's not to play Sega Genesis, because I can play Sega Genesis on any of my HD consoles. It's for Sega Saturn, so I'm hoping it works with the Sega 32X. So yes, like I said, it is for the Sega Saturn. That is the only reason why I even connect up my old Sega Genesis and Sega 32X, is because of the 32X only. So when those cables fell apart, like they always do, I can't play 32X after I'm stuck without 32X. So I figured I'd go ahead and grab this and see if this can fix the problem, and if it does, that would be cool, but I don't know, I have a bad feeling about this. So I'm really hoping that this works. I'm gonna use a regular knife here to open this, because I don't feel like getting that knife, and it's all big anyway. So alright. So there's your manual, probably. Here's the product itself. Wow, this plastic was either kind of torn already, or it was just complete crap, because it like tore open easy. So this is how I power on the device. This is the part where it converts a Model A to a Model 2. I mean a Model 1 to a Model 2 Sega Genesis. But I already own this too, so I don't need that. This is the only thing I'm going to try, and I'm really hoping that it works. So it's not bad looking. The cable feels better than those China cables, so I know it's not going to rip in the inside. And then here's your HDMI on this side, and I guess you would turn it from 16:9 to 4:3, so I really love that. And then you got the power supply there, and your vents for it to vent. So I don't know, I'm gonna try this out, see if I could get this to work. I don't know though, I've heard some bad things about it, so if I would have known that, I probably wouldn't have grabbed it. But I'm gonna go ahead and connect this and see if it does work. I already have everything connected, so let's go from there. Let me go ahead and connect this, because I already got everything connected there. So give me a chance to do that. Alright, so I got it all connected, and it seems to be working, and the text looks really good. So I'm very surprised with this. I mean, the text looks really good. Looks pretty good. Look at that. So everything looks good. Let's go ahead and choose a game, and I can only choose from the US though, because it's original hardware, so I can only choose games from the US. Master right here. Okay, so far so good. Get rid of the glare. Wait a minute. Yep. Oh wow, that doesn't look too bad. Let me do this. It has a 4x3 switch, but I'm gonna go ahead and just do it on my TV real quick. Now that looks pretty good. But I don't hear any sound. Oh man. Yeah, so my TV does this. This TV does this. Sometimes sound won't come out of certain items. So one of my Pandora's boxes doesn't. One of those gaming sticks doesn't. I mean, it chooses which audio, but I can always get the audio out of the Model 1 in the front. So that's cool. So it looks good, but let's go ahead and try. See that? Look at that. It almost looks like it's being emulated. Just the only thing, there's no sound. So let's go ahead and try a 32X game. Alright, so I got some 32X games right here. Oh yes, and it looks good too. Wow, I'm very pleased with this. Extremely pleased. What Hyperkin actually came through. I really doubted this cable big time. Like I even regret buying it. Look at the text on that. They did a pretty good job. The only thing I need to do is just go ahead and hook up one of my Bluetooth speakers to the sound, and I'm good to go. I have it powered up through the USB through my television set, so that eliminates another wall socket. And this is how I'm doing it here. If you look here, I'm using a Sega. I don't know. This goes to an old console I have. It's 9 volts, and it runs perfect with this. And then I got the old fat cord for that. So that eliminates me having to use such big cables. But man, look at that. That is just really nice looking. I really thought it was not going to work. I mean, I absolutely, positively thought that it wasn't going to work. But it seems to work extremely wow. I mean, here goes another one. It's loading up. Everything looks really good. Man, I definitely recommend this. But only if you're using Sega Saturn. I mean, Sega 32X. What is with me and Sega Saturn? I guess I have Sega Saturn on the mind. I don't know. But if you got a 32X, this is the... I mean, because they haven't made anything for a 32X to be HD. So this would be a very good way to... this is a very dark game, and I have it very dark, so that's not going to work. Let's try something else. Wow, I'm going to go nuts on this, and I'm going to use this all weekend. That ain't gonna work. I'll go and I'll find other ROMs that are the actual one of my favorites right here. One of my favorites. Please work. Yes, it does work. I thought I had the wrong ROM. So it says I have to go dig for the right ROM because they're not US ROMs, and because it's original hardware, I have to use original ROMs. But this is a really awesome game right here. If you guys don't know about it, it's a really cool game. Whoa, come on. I don't want to do this. I don't even know a password. Just the only thing, I gotta get the sound going. I should be able to do that really quick. Which one's oh, there's no shoot button at first. Yeah, so this is you have to like play this a little while without any type of shooting abilities first, and then you go down to like somewhere around here somewhere, and then press a button or something and you get them, something like that. I gotta refreshen up on it. There it goes. I knew it. I still remember. Okay, so now I'll be able to shoot, and I'm gonna go ahead and get some music on. Alright, so everything's back connected. I got sound finally. So this is how you can shoot. See how it shoots this little guy? He shoots. It's one of the best games, I think, for the 32X. So I gotta kill all the little wasps, or I'm not sure what they are, but I have to kill them all so that the birds can come back. Yeah, so it works great. This is how I'm getting the sound out, so I'll show you guys how it's connected. So I'm getting the sound out of this Bluetooth speaker. I can turn the volume up and down from right here. Look at that. Looks great to me. I have to be very happy right now because it worked, and I can finally play 32X without having to connect so many things. Let's go ahead and reset that. Alright, let's go this way. Nope. Sorry about that, guys. Let me get another one. Come on. Star Wars. There you go. Looks pretty cool. Looks nice and clear. Probably looks a little blurry right now for you guys, but it's working.
Attention all wing pilots. Stand by to receive orders.
See that? That looks really good.
Wipe out enemy fighters.
Good, all good. The polygons look pretty good. Man, everything looks really good. And here's the device. You can see it's got a little blue light went on. Wow, so this is the Hyperkin Sega to HDMI cable right here. Not too bad, not too bad at all. I mean, it's really a good thing for me because I like to play 32X a lot, And I can't really play 32X because nobody's made a cable, but this cable will do. So if you're looking for a way to play 32X, this is a very good way. So thanks a lot for watching, guys, and keep gaming.